welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your story is your mission. My name is Beatrice Adams, and I'm so excited to be here with you again today. And many of you know my story, but for those who don't, I just wanted to let you know that my goal on this channel is to teach as many people as I can reach how to start a nonprofit in their state and then how to become a 501c3 tax exempt organization. I am walking you through step by step, absolutely free. So please pay attention, subscribe, because the reason I do this, my friends and I, we started a nonprofit several years ago. It was rehabilitating cemeteries, well, restoring cemeteries that mostly predated emancipation. And we needed to become a 501c3. It was very expensive. We just could not afford to do that. And we knew that we needed every bit of funds that we had. We needed to keep that in our pocket or in the bank so that we could continue to restore these cemeteries. So, just a quick note, I wanted to let you know why I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm just trying to help you get started and be approved as a tax exempt organization so that you can too help to make this world a better place. Now, let's get to it. Okay, so today I want to quickly answer an important question for you, and that is, can a nonprofit pay its employees? Let's get straight to the answer. Absolutely. Nonprofits can and often do pay their employees. Paying staff is essential for attracting and retaining talented individuals who can help your organization achieve its mission. And yes, that includes you. You should pay yourself because guess what? You got bills. You too have bills to pay. Just remember, though, salaries should be reasonable and in line with what similar positions pay in the market. So do your research and always document your compensation decisions to make sure you're compliant with IRS rules and regulations on this topic. Check out my video titled How to Master Form 1023, Navigating Part 5, Compensation. I've included a link to it in the description below, along with links to other essential resources to help you organize a nonprofit in your state and complete the Form 1023 application. So check it out. And thanks for tuning in. If you found this tip useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips to start and grow your nonprofit. Have more questions? Leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.